Right, let's get started. Let me show you how you can customize your YouTube channel. For customization, we need to first create a logo and YouTube banner. So if you're a graphic designer, you can do this on CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, or Adobe Photoshop, or whatever design software you are using. But for the purpose of those who doesn't have the basic of designing, I'm going to show you from scratch how you can create it. Now let's use Canva for this tutorial. I'm just going to come to Canva. So if this is your first time on Canva will require you to log in. So I've just logged into Canva with one of my Gmail account. Which Gmail account did I use? I use Job Tutor, the one that is for this. So it's going to ask you, are you a teacher, small business, student? So I'm just going to choose personal. So you can also skip this if you are not interested. So let me just say maybe later can go on with this. All right, welcome to Canva. The first thing we want to do is to create a logo. So come to the search box here and type logo. So when you type logo, it's going to come up. You can say 500 by 500 pixels. So just click on this 500 by 500 pixel. Now there are a lot of templates here that you can choose from, but I advise you first choose create a blank first. When you click on create a blank, from there you can search for templates that are related to whatever you want to design, whatever you are into. Okay, you can see now, for instance, you are into tailoring. Just search for tailor. Okay, I just search for tailor. Now anything that is related to tailoring, as you can see, these are logos that are related to tailoring. So you can just pick any of these and edit it the way you want. Okay, you can see there are a lot of them here. Some of them are pro, but just pick any of the free ones will be enough for you to use. All right, so now for instance, you are into, let me say you are a graphic designer. Definitely a graphic designer should even know how to design a logo, but let's just say you don't know how to design a logo. As a graphic designer, you can just start graphic design. So boom, so it's going to pop up logos that are related to graphic design. You can see, you can just pick any of these and start working with it. All right, now me, I was just going to do something that has to do with tutorial, because I'm teaching tutorial. So I'm just going to use, let me say, tutorial. So as you can see, it has pop up things. So I'm just going to pick one and then just use it like that. Anyone that I think is beautiful, I'll just pick it. Okay, so I will not spend a lot of time here. I think I saw one here that I would love to use. So I'll just pick this. Yes. I'll just go with this and I'll just, boom. I just start editing. So what is here? Job Tutor. So I'm just gonna put Job Tutor. All right, Job Tutor. Then I'm just gonna, you can customize it, you can edit it the way you want. You can change the color. If you don't like the color, you can decide to change the color. You can see this is it. You can decide to change the color to whatever color you want. All right, but I'm just going to work with this color because I don't want us to spend a lot of time here. You can say Job Tutor online class. I can just name it like YouTube class so that it will resonate with what I'm doing. So it's gonna be YouTube class. All right, Job Tutor YouTube class. So when you are done, I will advise you name it before you can say Job Tutor. So I'm just gonna download this. So just download it as JPEG and you'll be fine. So you can decide to download as PNG also. So I'm just gonna download as JPEG. So I'm choosing JPEG now. So I have downloaded it. Now I will show you something. Now that it has downloaded, we can now upload it to our YouTube channel. But let me show you something first. Now this is, okay, back to our YouTube channel now. Let me just post the profile picture here. So we're going to choose from gallery. So I'm choosing from gallery. We're going to pick the recent one. So I just pick this. So as you can see, it's well fitted because we design it with a size that is, because we design it with the correct size. Okay, we have our profile picture. So the name, I'm not going to change the name, but you that you already know your brand name, you can just change the name and put it, and change the handle also. All right, now we have our channel created, and we have a logo for our channel also. So we need to put a description for our channel. What is our channel about? You can decide to put your description. For instance, we want to edit our channel, so let me add a description for this channel. I'm just going to be fast about it. Let me just say YouTube mastery course. So your channel description should be what your channel is all about, what you want to be showing people. So I just use the, as you can see now, we need to put a YouTube banner. So we need to go and design that YouTube banner. So I'm going to leave that for another dedicated video where I will show you how you can create this banner from scratch, because there is size that you need to create. If you just create anyhow size, it's not going to fit in. Just like this logo now, we choose a size that will fit in, and that is why it fits in. And for the YouTube banner, it is more technical because there are some things we need to do, especially if you are creating it with your phone. But if you are using software like CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, you will not have the issue. But creating it with your phone, there are some things we need to put in place, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. See you in that video on how I teach you how to create a banner for your YouTube channel.